Shenzhen Green Machinery Company, Limited, established in 2007, specializes in intelligent screening solutions and is committed to becoming a comprehensive, high-quality service provider for sand and aggregate materials. Our main products include vibrating screen equipment, premium-grade aggregate materials, and sand production lines. We maintain comprehensive production facilities, with our manufacturing system covering the entire process chain from component processing to product assembly. Every production stage is infused with millimeter-level precision commitment. During the factory testing phase, we conduct comprehensive simulated usage tests on the product. Our quality inspectors utilize advanced testing equipment and adhere to stringent testing standards to thoroughly examine every detail of the product. This ensures stable operation and full performance realization under various complex environments and high-intensity usage conditions. Our products have been exported to over 100 countries and regions, including the United States, Russia, Singapore, Malaysia, and more. Currently, we are making every effort to continuously improve product quality and service standards to meet the needs of clients in more countries and regions. If you have any questions or requirements, please feel free to contact us at any time. You may visit our official website at glvibratingscreen.com to explore more products. Thanks for watching.